All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely. Always ready to dig into something new. What are we looking at today?
Well, today we're diving into the world of TiDB Lightning.
Ooh, okay. TiDB Lightning. I've heard some buzz about that.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of attention, and for good reason.
For good reason. Yeah. So what's the big deal with it?
Well, imagine if you could move massive amounts of data, like mountains of data, in just minutes.
Wait, hold on. Minutes. Seriously.
Yeah, seriously, that's the kind of speed TiDB Lightning is promising.
Okay, now that's definitely grabbing my attention.
Yeah.
What's the secret sauce? How does it work?
Well, it's all about efficiency, and TiDB Lightning uses some really clever techniques to make data imports lightning fast. No pun intended.
All right, I'm hooked. Lay it on me. What makes this so much faster than the usual methods?
So think about it this way. Traditional data imports are like trying to drive a huge truck down a narrow dirt road.
Okay, I get that it's slow, bumpy, and you can't really move that much at once, right?
Exactly. But TiDB Lightning is like switching to a superhighway with multiple lanes, all optimized for speed.
Ah, I see. So it's using things like multi-threading to handle multiple tasks at the same time.
You got it. And it also uses bulk writes, which is like sending all your data in one big efficient package.
Okay, that makes sense. So instead of moving things one by one, it's all streamlined.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And you know how in the data world, we often have to deal with different systems and data formats?
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's a constant challenge, especially when you're trying to move data between systems.
Well, here's where TiDB Lightning really shines. It's designed with compatibility in mind.
Oh, really? So it's not limited to just working within the TiDB ecosystem.
Not at all. It actually boasts impressive compatibility with MySQL.
Wow, that's huge for people who might be working with legacy systems or data from different sources.
Exactly. And it's not just MySQL. It can handle CSV files too, so it's super versatile.
So you're telling me I can import data from MySQL and CSV all into TiDB with this thing?
That's the idea. And it does it all quickly and efficiently.
I gotta admit, I'm impressed so far. But how about the technical side of things? What's happening behind the scenes to make all this work?
So imagine it like a relay race where each component has a specific job to get that data across the finish line.
I like that analogy. Break it down for me. What are the players?
First up, you have TiDB Lightning itself, the main engine. It takes that SQL data and transforms it into key value pairs.
Making it ready for TiDB to understand. Right. See.
Right. Then you have the TiKV importer, which manages and schedules all those key value pairs across the entire cluster.
Keeping everything organized and efficient like a conductor.
You got it. And to top it off, you have different backend options, importer local and TiDB, each with their own pros and cons.
Oh, interesting. So you can choose the backend that fits your specific needs.
Exactly. So you have flexibility depending on your priorities like speed or resource control.
Okay, this is all making a lot of sense now. But let's be honest, setting up new tools can be a headache sometimes.
I hear you. But the team behind TiDB Lightning really emphasized user-friendliness.
That's always a plus. So what does the setup actually look like?
It's surprisingly straightforward. First, you create a dedicated user with the right permissions for data access.
Like giving them a backstage pass to the data party?
Exactly. Then you configure the settings, kind of like creating a roadmap for your data import.
Making sure it knows where to pick up the data and where to drop it off.
Exactly. And finally, you run the command and off it goes.
Just like that, no complicated rituals or anything?
Nope. Pretty painless, actually.
I have to say, TiDB Lightning really seems like a game changer for anyone working with big data.
Absolutely. It's fast, it's flexible, it's compatible, and it's relatively easy to set up.
And the time savings alone could be massive. Imagine what people could achieve with all that extra time.
It's not just about saving time, though. It's about unlocking new possibilities.
That's right. With faster data imports, you can analyze information in real time, make quicker decisions, and really push the boundaries of innovation.
Precisely. It's like giving researchers, businesses, anyone who relies on data a superpower.
So let's throw this out to our listeners. What data mountains would you move if you had this kind of power at your fingertips?
It's a question worth pondering. And that's all the time we have for our deep dive today.
Thanks for breaking it down. This was definitely enlightening. I'm definitely adding TiDB Lightning to my watch list.
Until next time, happy data diving, everyone.